Good evening, it's Brian here at Fitzpatrick's Garage, Dublin Road, Kildare. I want to show you this car here, which is a 2015 Honda Civic, and this is a 1.4i-VTEC Sport. Brian is my name. If there's any information you want on this particular car, please do not hesitate to give me a shout. 086 843 1945. That's 086 843 1945, or if you come to the garage in Kildare town, just ask for Brian. This car is a two-owner car from brand new, and it's got a full Honda service history. One thing I really like about these sport models in petrol in 2015, first of all, it's the facelift model, which is the nice one, and secondly, the petrol got the nicer set of wheels. It's got the big 17s on it. I'm just going to turn on these headlamps for a sec so I can show you what's going on, but before I do, actually let's have a quick look at the daytime running lights. So, at the front of the car, 1.4 VTEC engine behind there. It's 100 horsepower, 280 euros for the year. Extremely bulletproof, non-turbo, very straightforward engine, doesn't give trouble. These, as you can see, are the daytime running lights that are on the car. So this is the facelift in 2015. So when these cars came out in 2015, sorry, not came out, there was a model, this model came out in 2012 actually, but in 2015 they did a facelift on the car overall, and they made the front bumper much more aggressive, and it had a nicer, bigger, kind of, in my opinion, kind of Audi style sort of daytime running lights. Parking sensors are standard at the front fog lights down through here, and then you also have a nice chrome surround around it. It's called Passion Red. This evening's a bit overcast, but this is a seriously nice colour in the sun. When the sun shines, it's real deep and bright, and it goes really well with those wheels because they're diamond cut. So basically, as you see, there's a nice kind of polished finish on them. So when the sun is shining on that colour on the outside and on those wheels, it's a really striking looking car. Anyway, continuing around, as we said, parking sensors standard along the front, and there's also parking sensors along the rear of the car as well. In 2015 they also brought in these mouldings down low, which gave the car a little bit of a wider, fatter stance at the bottom. These wing mirrors, I'll show you in a sec, they actually fold in, and the windows can fold in from the key. And then also they had these handles back through here, and then these ones are colour coded up through there. Even when it comes to fuel efficiency though, even the petrol model, these were actually put on, and the idea of those was that air would deflect off the side of the car in the most aerodynamic way possible. The rear tail lights are a nice LED style, and in 2015 then we got the bigger diffuser along the back, which is black, which matched the black section along the boot and the black section here and the black window up through there. And even at the bottom of the car, it's all nice and flat under there as well, again, so air flows off the car in the most aerodynamic way possible. So as we were saying, it is a car that is two owners from new, which for 2015 is quite normal, and it's got a full dealer service history as well. Storage, which you can also put in a spare wheel, boot, and then up through there, handles on either side for letting that down. For letting the boot down. These door cards, they're the nice stitching in 2015, electrics for windows over through here, 3 head restraints, 3 3-point safety belts, armrest in through the centre. Seats are in really nice condition actually. Magic seats, so you have basically a tall mode if there's any awkward stuff you want to put in out of the car. Moving around to the front, as we were saying, the car has a function which allows me, basically, the lights are automatic, so they come on themselves at night, so those lights will turn off in a sec, and then after that I can also lock in the wing mirrors, and I can also bring the windows down from the key, and if you see, the lights have come back on, so I can open it back up, lights come back on, and then using the key my windows have come down, and similarly then using the key my windows have locked again. So just handy when you're inside your house looking out the window on a cold night. Tell you what, if you want to know your car's locked, dead handy. Usual electrics for windows and mirrors. In through here, parking sensors front and rear to turn them off. To turn them on or off. And actually, just before I sit into the car, just to show you, seats in nice condition, passenger seats in nice condition. Both the owners actually didn't have young family in the car, so it's had an easy life in terms of the interior. 2 USB connectors, HDMI, 12 volt power, 12 volt power again, storage for drinks, 6 forward gears, reverse camera in through here, dual zone climate, so different temperatures on each side of the car. Honda Connect, which is all touch and swipe and all that kind of stuff in through there for phone and Bluetooth and reverse camera, and even things like an internet browser and all that kind of stuff in through here. iMid over here for average fuel, time, all that kind of stuff. Normal people in these cars do somewhere in the region of around 45 miles per gallon, which is 6.5 litres per 100 kilometres. Fuel here, rev counter here, temperature over here. Economy function there to reduce how aggressive the cruise control is and also how aggressive the air conditioner to try and save fuel. Speedo up here, and then these blue lights change colours to tell you if you're driving economically or not. Bluetooth in through here. Steering wheel brake reach, so basically I can go in or out or up or down. After that then I've got airbag up high, airbag in the side of the seats. All these doors have steel bars from side impact protection as well, and anti-lock brakes and vehicle stability assist and all that kind of stuff as well. So very, very safe car. Is the service book in here? It might be. And the battery's about to go dead. Oh my god. Anyway, if the battery goes dead, Brian's my name. 086-843-1945. If there's any information you want, please do give me a shout. I can take trade-ins, we can do finance. So there you go, stamped service history all the way through from brand new. So yeah, if you have a car to trade in, please do give me a shout. I can give you an estimate over the phone, no problem. If there's any information you want in terms of anything else about the car will come serviced, it'll come with a warranty for 12 months. So hopefully this car is of interest. If there's information you want, Brian is my name, 086-843-1945. Hopefully the video has been useful. If there's any more information you want, please do not hesitate to give me a shout. And hopefully the Civic Sport is of interest to you.